Welcome to our exploration of Feng Shui, an ancient practice that many people are curious about. Today we're diving into the question, is Feng Shui real? We'll look at what Feng Shui is, how it works, and whether the claims made by practitioners hold any weight. So settle in as we unpack this fascinating topic. Feng Shui, which translates to wind and water, is an ancient Chinese practice that focuses on the alignment of one's energy with their surroundings. It operates on the principle that optimizing your physical environment can significantly transform your life. This is particularly important in today's urban living, where many of us reside in crowded, poorly designed apartments that can negatively impact our well-being. Feng Shui offers a way to help residents feel healthier, happier, and more at home in their living spaces. While it may sound unconventional to some, there is a body of research supporting the idea that our environments affect our emotions and behaviors. Overcrowded living spaces have been shown to increase stress, contributing to a range of health issues. This aligns with the core philosophy of Feng Shui, which posits that by creating a balanced and harmonious living environment, individuals can improve their overall quality of life. According to Lavra Tirano, a Feng Shui expert from Feng Shui Manhattan, the way our spaces are organized reflects our reactions to external experiences, serving as a metaphor for our lives. To further understand Feng Shui, it's essential to recognize that it is not a religion, although it is closely linked to Taoism. Many practitioners advocate for the idea that making simple adjustments to one's environment can enhance various life aspects, including health, relationships, and financial success. The practice has experienced a resurgence in Western culture, with numerous trained Feng Shui consultants offering their services across the United States, making it more accessible to those interested. Feng Shui is built upon several fundamental principles that help individuals align their living spaces with their identities and aspirations. One of the key concepts within Feng Shui is the classification of the world into 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each element corresponds to specific traits and energies. For instance, wood represents creativity and growth, while fire symbolizes leadership and boldness. By understanding and balancing these elements within your living space, you can cultivate the qualities you wish to nurture in your life. Additionally, Feng Shui employs a tool known as the Bagua map, which outlines various life areas such as health, wealth, marriage, and fame. Each area corresponds to specific sections of a building or space. By aligning the Bagua map with your floor plan, you can determine the optimal placement of colors, objects, and artwork to enhance different life aspects. If you feel something is amiss in your life, you can consider rearranging or adding items in the relevant life area to create positive changes. Another crucial aspect of Feng Shui is the balance of yin and yang energies. Yin represents feminine energy associated with calmness, nighttime, and quiet, while yang embodies masculine energy linked to sociability, heat, and sunlight. A harmonious living space often contains a balance of both energies. For instance, a home that feels too stark or bright may benefit from the calming presence of softer, cooler elements, while a space that feels too dark and heavy may thrive with brighter, more active features. For those interested in practicing Feng Shui, there are various ways to implement its principles in daily life, tailored to each unique living situation. While more complex spaces might benefit from professional consultation, several simple steps can be taken to enhance your environment. One of the most significant recommendations from experts like Tirano is to declutter your space, especially your bedroom. Clutter can create stress and anxiety, affecting your mental clarity and overall well-being. By removing unnecessary items and creating an organized environment, you can facilitate a sense of peace and order. Another practical suggestion is to create a welcoming atmosphere for potential relationships. If you're seeking love, Feng Shui encourages you to act as if. This means preparing your space as though you're ready to welcome someone into your life. For example, if you only have one towel in your bathroom, consider adding a second towel as a symbolic gesture of openness to new relationships. This mindset not only changes the energy of your space, but also signals your readiness to embrace love. When it comes to enhancing productivity and financial flow, integrating plants into your workspace can be beneficial. Plants embody the wood element, which is linked to growth, networking, and financial opportunities. Placing a couple of plants near your desk or work area can inspire creativity and encourage positive energy flow. Additionally, displaying symbolic objects, such as a lucky cat or frog figurine, can further invite prosperity into your life. It's important to approach Feng Shui with realistic expectations. While some transformations may occur, it's not a magic solution for all problems. Chirano advises maintaining an open mindset and being willing to experiment with Feng Shui principles. She emphasizes that many clients have experienced significant positive changes, even in aspects like fertility and personal relationships, when they have engaged with Feng Shui practices. If you're interested in finding a qualified Feng Shui consultant, the International Feng Shui Guild has a directory that can help you locate experts in your area. However, it's important to ask potential consultants about their focus, whether they specialize in residential or commercial spaces, and to seek references to ensure you find a trustworthy practitioner. The effectiveness of Feng Shui may depend on your willingness to participate in the process and your openness to change. Even skeptics can find value in exploring how their environments influence their lives. As Lavra Chirano puts it, if people, even skeptical ones, are willing to participate and test out the suggestions, Feng Shui is able to do almost everything. The key lies in embracing the possibility of transformation and being proactive, in making adjustments that reflect your aspirations. Whether or not you believe in the principles of Feng Shui, it is clear that the way we organize and interact with our living spaces can have a profound impact on our lives. The ancient practice offers insights into how we can enhance our environments to foster well-being, happiness, and success. So, if you're curious about Feng Shui, why not take the plunge? Start small, declutter a space, or rearrange some furniture, and see how it feels. You might just discover that a little shift in your environment can lead to a big change in your life. Thank you for joining us today on this journey into the world of Feng Shui. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences with Feng Shui and any tips you might have for creating a harmonious living space. Until next time, stay balanced and keep your energy flowing.